if you want to see how I achieve this big hair, then keep watching because I got tips all through the video. So don't skip.
Watch the whole thing.
To my channel. I am naturally Curlysa, and today I'm sending up a prayer because I'm gonna show y'all how I get big hair. I'm gonna give y'all some tips that I found out, because what I did was I actually watched a lot of videos. I got some advice and I took the stuff that I heard the most in each video and the advice that I got, and I ran with it. So if you like this video, like and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram at naturally_Curlysa. I have a lot more content on there. First things first, wash your hair. That's what I've already done. I use the Mackinac Powerhouse shampoo from Tara Moore, and I also use Honey's Handmade Melba's yams and potatoes. It was a mask. It was a mask. I don't know the name of it right now. Usually when I do my hair, I'm looking for definition. So I start off on soaking wet hair. I'm not gonna start off on soaking wet hair when I'm trying to get volume because I want my hair to dry fast. Something that I learned also from watching some videos is the reason why your hair doesn't get as big as you want it to is because it's too moisturized. I know, what, too moisturized in the natural community, but your hair is too moisturized. That's why by day 3, your hair is at the volume you would like because most of the moisture has come out. My solution to that is to make sure that I use a product that is not heavy. Heavy products will weigh your hair down. So I'm going to be using the Strawberries and Cream Wash and Go Hold from Annabelle's. No leave-in. This is the only thing that I'm going to be using. So it's going to help with my volume. Now, as far as moisture, you're gonna be like,
but I need my moisture. Where's the moisture? What are we doing?
The moisture is gonna come in with a deep conditioning. That's why it's so important for you to deep condition your hair when you're doing a style and wanting big hair. Or for me, that's important. I'm going to comb through my hair a little bit just to make sure my hair is detangled. Now, as far as putting the product on, you want to put the product on in the way that your hair was cut when it was shaped, if you've ever had your hair shaped before. So some people can go for the no part look and put all the product on, and when it dries and they have the volume, they have the va-va-voom, the lion mane, the beautiful mane. My hair was not cut like that. My hair was cut with a middle part. I've tried the no part look and it just does not work out for me. So I'm going to go for the middle part look. Usually when I do my wash and goes for definition, I take the product and I separate my hair into sections and I put it on each small section. When I'm going for volume, I like to put the product on all of my hair. I like to rake it on. Use the praying hand methods to make sure that this gets all into my hair. And remember, you want a light product because if you have something heavy, it's gonna weigh your hair down. Your hair is gonna be too moisturized. I'm just gonna get a little bit more because I don't think that it got on this back section. All right, and I'm gonna do the same for this side. If your hair does get dry, you can spray your hair with water. I'm not gonna spray my hair with any more water. I also found with styles like this, my Denman brush does not work very well because the bristles are kind of short. I like to use my brush with the best. I got all my product on, and I'm just gonna go back through and comb my curls. And again, guys, this is what worked for me. You know, if it don't work for you, I'm sorry. But I did watch a lot of videos. When I'm trying to find out how to do something, I will watch a lot of videos on what I'm trying to learn to do. And the key things that I take from the videos are the things that everybody says the same thing about. If everybody says that you need to make sure you brush your hair, then I'm gonna make sure that's one of my things I do. I'm gonna brush my hair. Now, from here, I'm going to work on my edges. Give me a second. Before I do that, I really want some color. So I don't like my boring hair anymore. So I'm gonna put some color in here. I really wanna do Midnight. Let's go all out. Let's do Midnight. This is Midnight from Gemini Naturals, and you can also use my code in the description below to get some money off of these products. I'm going to, this is a light product too. It's not waxy, it's not heavy. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of this on my ends. And the new formula is so pigmented that I don't even need a lot. So I'm gonna rub this on my hands. I just slapped a whole bunch of blue right there. You see how much bigger my hair is compared to my other wash and go videos where I'm going for definition. So now that I have all this color on my hair, if you can see it, I can kind of see it. It looks really pretty. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and do my edges, and then we're going to diffuse. You can either air dry or you can diffuse. What I did last time worked for me, and I diffused on cool. Usually I do not diffuse on cool. I usually diffuse on medium high, and when I get really impatient, I'll do it on high. But because my hair does not have the same amount of product that I would usually have in my hair, that makes it like super moisturized, I don't want to use high heat on my hair and make my hair frizzy and even more dry looking than it already is going to kind of look to my liking. So we're gonna do this on cool. And this edge control that I'm using is the Kaleidoscope edge control. I absolutely love this edge control. It lays my edges to the gourds. It lays my edges down.
Lay it down.
It lays my edges down, no Lloyd. And I also find that putting the edge control on right now kind of lays my hair down more, so that when I go through and my hair dries, I already have like a flat canvas. This is my hair before diffusing. I'm going to diffuse on cool and speed the video up, and then I'll come back and we'll get to the pickage tips that I learned on how to get my hair bigger, if this turns out right. Randomly, while I'm diffusing my hair, I'll go through and I'll just start fluffing my roots with my hands. I don't know what it does, but I saw it in a video. I guess it kind of loosens your roots to get them drier quicker, because I guess they stick together. I don't know. It just worked. I also randomly go through and take the diffuser off sometimes, and I'll just blow my hair without the attachment just to get my hair a little bit more drier. All right, so this is my hair fully diffused. My hair is dry. I actually ended up turning it up to medium high when my hair was a little bit more drier, just so I could speed up the process because I was tired. All right, so next step to getting big hair, you need a pick or a wide tooth comb, whatever works for you. So the tips that I saw is you have to do an upward motion when you're fluffing your hair. And I think my problem was I don't know what I was doing. I was doing something, but you gotta do like fast. Like, it's hard to explain. But you pick your hair out to your liking. And you gotta remember, this is day one. My hair is gonna stretch even more as the days go on. So my hair is not gonna be so just this side, but you can already see the difference kind of with me fluffing out this side. And I just stab my ear. Don't stab yourself if you have a metal pick. And don't forget the back. And you wanna actually do it towards the front of your hair, but you do not want to forget doing the back. So you're gonna fluff your hair towards the front. And with my ends, because my ends are a little longer, I'm just gonna pull my hair just a little bit so it's not tangled. The bottom part is the only part I think you do down if you have longer hair. So you kind of see the difference of this pickage. Not really, I can't see it, I don't know. You can see how this is more, and this is like, let me finish this side. So after doing all that picking, here we are, guys. This is my hair. I feel like such an amateur telling you guys what to do because I just found out how to do this like 4 days ago. So now I'm making a video like I'm an expert telling y'all like this is what you're supposed to do. By no means am I an expert. This is just what works for me. I like to add color into my hair because you can see it better. I'm thinking about changing this background. Can y'all give me some ideas on what color I can do, because I feel like I can't see my hair, you know, pop with this color back here. I'm gonna have to get some more, but I love how this turned out. My hair still is defined. There's a little small little crunch on here, but y'all know I like a crunch on my hair. And I will show y'all the back. If it looks messed up, don't do me, because y'all do know I just trim my own ends, so mind your business. I don't know how it looks. If it looks bad, I'm just gonna delete that out. But yeah, this is it. This is my hair. I love it. I love that I can get big hair. I love that my curls are still defined. And this is day 1. So I hope that these tips helped you out on how to make your hair big, especially on day 1. Comment below a color for me for back here, because this gotta go. This has gotta go. So the main things to remember: get a moisturizing deep conditioner. Make sure you have a light product that you're putting in your hair. Make sure that your hair is not soaking wet, kind of damp. Make sure that if you do diffuse, that you do it on cool, since your hair is not as moisturized as it would be. And make sure you're picking up to the front, and don't forget about the back. And if your hair is cut into a shape, make sure you put the product in the way your hair was shaped. So if it was shaped in your face, make sure you do that. If you have bangs, make sure you put your product in that way. That's it, guys. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. I'll see y'all on the next video.